Hi guys, today I would like to show you all how to create a new contact on REALME Note 60. Firstly, go into the Phones app, tap on Create New Contact, choose where you would like to store your contacts. It can be either your SIM card, your device, or Google account. Now if you tap on this icon, you can select a profile picture for your contact. Now you can align it and crop it, and then tap on choose. If you tap on this arrow, you're going to see every blank for name, such as name prefix, first name, middle name, last name, and name suffix. Obviously, you don't have to fill all of them. The most important is going to be the first name and maybe the last name. Yeah. You can also add a company. The most important is obviously the phone number. You can add a few of these and label each one of them individually as something different. This one can be work, let's say, and this one will stay as home. Again, you don't have to fill two phone numbers, one will be enough. And you can also add an email and a few emails and label each one of them as something different. You can also add a significant date. Let's set it as November 11th of 2024. And label it, this time I'll label it as something custom, let's say an appointment. And you can now tap on more fields to review more fields, obviously, and there are fields like address, website, related person, SIP. You can also write notes, and again, you don't have to fill all of these blanks. You'll just stick with the name and the phone number. That's going to be enough. Also at the bottom we have things like a label are just groups, so we can create a group like work. On some devices it doesn't work, the labels doesn't work, so I guess this is one of the devices. Okay, so it does not work. So now we can just proceed to the saving. So tap on save in the top right corner, and as you can see, here is number the contact I have just created. Now if you'd like to share some information about this contact, just simply press and hold that information, and now tap on copy to clipboard, and now you can tap on this icon to share it to someone or just paste it somewhere. Also, if you tap on the three dots in the top right corner and tap on share, you can select the information that you would like to share, and then tap on continue. Now a small file is going to be created that contains all of the selected informations. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.